told you it's not him here. Please start down. Go down. No. Got it.
Ooh, is it hot?
Yes, it's hot.
You got your piggy pot holders. Is that your chef's hat, Dylan?
No. Yes, it is.
It's for cooking. Your cooking hat?
No, it's not a cooking hat.
Not a cooking hat? It's just a chef's hat?
No, it's not.
Oh, okay.
Put it in here. And put it. Let me get one dirty. Here. You put it in like there. Like that.
Yeah?
You turn it and it can get hot. Okay, now.
What's it taste like?
Tastes like peanut butter crunchy.
Tastes like peanut butter crunchy.
We'll put it on a table for you.
Okay, go put it on the table.
We'll make that video now. There, that's for you. I want like that in there. Go like that one. Go like that in there. This one. Go like this one. Like
What's that one?
Good.
It's called what?
It's called a sticker for me. It's called a sticker for that.
Oh, okay. So we're having stickers for dinner?
No, we're not. We now have a sticker for that.
Oh, okay.
That's a pig for
Hey, give me a shake and bake with the pig.
what?
Give me a shake and bake with the pig. There we go.